Hi, today I've got a 15 model Pajero 4M41 3.2 turbo diesel automatic with a tap in the front. Nice tidy car, I think it's 41,000 kilometres on it. Let's have a quick look here for you. Put the key in, it's got a nice clean trim in there. Put the key in, see if I start her up. There's our kilometres, 41,000. I'll start up. There we go, ticking away there. Just a quick look at the motor, then I'll shut it down. Alright, we've got the Mitsubishi Motors stereo. It's an automatic. It's got some nice black trim in it. The airbags have been deployed on the front dash. It's got side airbags, visors, not sure what that is, that type of stuff. And I'll just show you what this does. Go back home here. There's all our options. Climate control, rear diff lock in there. Little walk around. There's our compliance plate. We have one down here. You can see that there. It's 8th 15. Right hand door's a bit ordinary. We've got a compliance plate here. Have a quick look around the engine. 41,000 kilometres. Set of wheels, good left doors. Another compliance plate. Got a third row seat in the back. There's a cover the seat there. Open the tailgate. Good tailgate, spare wheel cover. Reverse camera light. There's our third row dicky seat with the headrests. Cargo blind. Jack kit's in there also. And that's it. With the 18-inch wheels on it. So if you need some bits for your Pajero, give us a call on 02 4646 1733. Thanks for watching. Bye.